Hello everybody, and today I'll be showing you guys how to use SnapCAD. SnapCAD is an online CAD software to help you with all of your IQ needs. So, we can go over here and see our part library. In our part library, we have all the parts you're going to need. Over here, we have all the beams. You can navigate with the little bar on the side. We have some wheels, some axles, some pins, everything you would ever know. Let's say I want an omni wheel. Let me just find it, okay? It says in the bottom left little description. Drag it out here, like so. See, I have a 3D view on the bottom right, and I can just drag it around, look around. And then if I want to move it, you can have like this. And if you want to change the grid size, you can move it into a place with an even finer grid. And then let's say you want to add an axle and through the wheel. You can come through here, find the axle you want. Let's say I want a 4-meter plastic. Boom, right there. And just drag it right there, but see how it is not very visible through this view? It's not even through the hole. So to fix that, if I do this, it's just jumping over it. So what I can do, click this grid, and it fits pretty well. It's not perfect, so what I can do to make it perfect, I can click this one, and boom, now it's in there. You can different ways to move it around. You can just use your mouse and drag it, or you can use your arrow keys and move it along the axes. It's a bit strange, but it works. And then it's very hard to see the differences. Oops, there you go. See, I zoomed in. I couldn't really zoom out. Zoom in and out. You can come up here, click the different zoom levels. You can also change the color. So let's say I want this wheel to be yellow and this axle to be pink, and now I've got all the colors. There's more colors if you want to find more, just under here. Just click apart. More, you have all the different colors. Okay, so say I want some beams in here. I can come over here, find a beam, place it there, but it's not rotated in the right spot. Let's change colors so we can see it better. How do I fix that? Well, up here in the top right, like top middle, I should say, you have all of these. You can click this and it'll rotate all the different ways. If you want to change what it rotates, you can click here, change the angle that it'll rotate with each button press. Okay? And then even finer rotations, or just 4. And then it's just the same thing that we did with the axle. Just fit it right there on the hole, right in the hole, so it would run technically. Okay, good enough. You can zoom in, find a perfect little spot for it using my arrow keys, and boom. And then I can copy it and paste it to the other side with Control C and Control V. I can delete a part with the delete button on your keyboard, or I can come up here, click copy, paste, and I can just drag it up over here, and there'll be a second one where it's done. And then I can click cut, and it'll cut the part. So, that is mostly the basics of how to use SnapCAD. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.